In today's video, I will show you how to turn on or enable 2FA on your Telegram account. 2FA is very important. It serves as extra security layer to your account. It makes it harder for hacker or other people to log in to your account on different devices. Firstly, open up your Telegram app and tap your profile picture. Tap on settings and tap on privacy and security. At the top, you're going to see two-step verification. Tap on that and tap on set password. Now you are going to create a strong password. This password is extra from your main account password. You're going to enter your password that you can remember. Enter password that you can remember. Tap your password. After you finish entering your password, click enter. And you're going to retap your password to confirm. After you confirm the password, click enter and your password is already set. Now you can create an optional hint for your password, but if you don't want to create an optional hint, you can tap skip to skip that. Okay, tap on skip and you're going to enter your recovery email. Just go ahead and enter your recovery email. Now I'm going to tap my recovery email and tap enter. After you enter your recovery email, verification code. To complete two-step verification setup, check your Gmail, check your email. Don't forget that the spam folder and enter the code we just sent. I'm just going to close this app and go to my Gmail. This is my Gmail and this is the code Telegram just sent to me. I'm going to copy the code. I'm going to copy the code, copy that code and get over to my Telegram app and paste the code. Alright, this one it did not happen, so I don't want to paste there. I'm going to do it one by one. I'm going to go back and read the code 46, then read it 96 and 54 and click enter. Now my two-step is already on. Telegram has just sent me a notification that my 2FA is now on. My account is secure. Now you can try it and let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips.